Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia and Tigray clashes. Viewers, the warning of the Canada Prime Minister. Canada Prime Minister has asked to open closed road for the people of Tigray who have been exposed to a huge humanitarian crisis due to war. Canada Prime Minister said that he had a phone discussion with Abiy Ahmed on the current issue of Ethiopia and said that Canada has a strong desire for the peaceful negotiation and for a national discussion that has been involved. Especially, the fascist Abiy is worried about the death of drones in different cities of Tigray and has warned that he should stop immediately since we will be able to hold a peace negotiation. A new standard has reported that their country has promised to provide the necessary aid and medicine to Tigray to get the necessary humanitarian aid and medicine. On the other hand, question of the World Health Organization. The World Health Organization has announced that it has submitted a request to provide humanitarian aid to the situation in Tigray. The organization announced on its report today that there is no support to go to Tigray due to the restriction and restrictions in Tigray. It has announced that it will continue to strengthen the question that the Ethiopian government is making to the Ethiopian government. The World Health Organization has announced that nearly 7 million people are in danger due to the crisis in Tigray. It has announced that it has been given its responsibility to the Ethiopian government to provide humanitarian aid. The director of the World Health Organization, Dr. Tedros, is giving birth to an oath to the fascist Abiy Ahmed team to strengthen the environment. But the organization has asked for a way to provide the right support to the people of Tigray. So, viewers, this is the latest update about it.